In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can export and download all of your Snapchat memories to a computer. This is going to work on any PC or laptop, and it's perfect if you want to back everything up. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. To get started, obviously open up any browser, go to snapchat.com, and of course log into your Snapchat account. Once you are logged in, select your profile icon up in the top left corner and then go down to the account settings option down towards the very bottom of this pop-up menu. Select it to open it up, and from here you're going to want to scroll down and you're going to see a My Data option. Choose this, and in this section you're going to see a bunch of different available data that you can include. Scroll down specifically until you see the option for your memories. Just tick it on just like so, and then you'll have an option to request only memories. So go ahead and choose that, and in this instance it's going to show you all of the memories that you can go ahead and request. If you want to change it to all time, that's what I would recommend doing, just because that'll go ahead and select everything. But you could change it to specific dates if you want specific stuff. Confirm your email down there, and after doing so, hit submit just like so, and then you're going to see the export progress. Now, if it is your first time logging in on Snapchat, it is going to give you a security restriction, and you're going to have to wait until after 72 hours does pass, so just keep that in mind. But as soon as you go ahead and do this, you'll be good to go. After it does download, it's going to send you an email with a download link. Essentially, go ahead and just click the link in the email, download your memories to your computer, and you'll have them safely backed up. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.